Welcome back to the Metalhead Woodshed. Thanks for watching. I have a small repair to do on my bandsaw. It's a 10-inch Craftsman, and the rubber tires, these things, broke, and so I need to replace them, and I will be replacing them with these shiny new ones, and I'll show you how I do that. Let's go. The first step for this thing is that I first need to soak these guys in some hot water, a mixture of hot water and dish soap heated to at least 120 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes for easier installation. So I'm going to do that now. I'm bringing the water to temperature, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this top wheel blade. The bottom one just snapped on its own, but the replacements come in a pair. So I've got that one, both of them off. So this one's going to be easier. In the videos I've watched, the top one's always easier because this one comes out and I can just do it right here on my bench. The bottom one, that'll be our challenge because obviously I don't want to have to replace that whole or remove that whole bottom wheel. So we're going to have to use some clamps and kind of do it the hard way while it's still on the bandsaw. Next up, we'll do this first one though. So I got my bands heated, I think, to 120. So I'm gonna try and throw this on. I think the best way to do it would be to get it started. Forgot to record. I'm halfway into this thing, and you know, it's probably better that you didn't see half of the outtakes of me trying to put this thing on, but voila. So now what I need to make sure and do is go back around, because there are there's a center on each of these wheels that this thing, the tire needs to be within. You can kind of see. There we go. And so now they both got them on there. Yeah. All right. I've got everything back installed. I've got the blade on my bandsaw, and I got my fence set up. I've got some particle board from an old desk that I'm gonna do some slicing on. Works pretty good. A little taper there. I'm doing it at 6 inches, and this is that's about the max for my fence there, so it probably got a little shaky at the end, but yeah, cuts well. It didn't really bog down much. Success. Thanks for watching.